Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to talk about basic English for shopping and stores. Whether you're traveling abroad or shopping in an English-speaking environment, knowing the right phrases can make your experience much smoother and more enjoyable. So, let's go over some essential vocabulary and common expressions that you can use when you go shopping. Can I help you? This is the most common question you'll hear from store employees when you enter a shop. You can respond with, "I'm just looking, thank you." If you don't need help, or say what you're looking for like, "Yes, I'm looking for a pair of shoes," or "I need a gift for a friend." Being able to communicate your needs clearly will make the shopping experience more enjoyable. How much does this cost? When you want to know the price of an item, use this phrase, "How much does this cost?" or simply, "How much is this?" If you're looking at multiple items, you can ask, "How much are these?" Another way to ask is, "What's the price of this item?" Use these phrases to make sure you understand the cost before making a purchase. "Do you have this in another size?" If you like an item but need a different size, ask, "Do you have this in another size?" You can also specify, "Do you have this in a medium?" or "Do you have this in a larger size?" This phrase is useful for shopping for clothes or shoes and ensures you find the perfect fit. "Can I try this on?" Use this phrase when you want to try on clothing in a fitting room. For example, "Can I try this dress on, please?" Or "Can I try these shoes on?" If the store has fitting rooms, the employee will direct you to them. After trying something on, you can say, "It fits well," or "It's too big/small," depending on how you feel. Where is the fitting room? If you don't see the fitting rooms, you can ask, "Excuse me, where is the fitting room?" Or "Can you show me where the dressing rooms are?" This phrase is helpful in larger stores where it might be difficult to find the fitting area. "Do you have this in another color?" If you like an item but prefer it in a different color, simply ask, "Do you have this in another color?" You can specify, "Do you have this in black?" or "Do you have it in blue?" This phrase helps you find exactly what you want and make sure you leave the store satisfied. "Is this on sale?" If you want to know if an item is discounted, ask, "Is this on sale?" or "Are there any discounts on this item?" You can also ask, "What's the sale price?" This is a great way to find the best deals and save money while shopping. "Can I pay by card?" or "Do you accept credit cards?" When you're ready to pay, ask, "Can I pay by card?" or "Do you accept credit cards?" If the store only accepts cash, you can ask, "Is there an ATM nearby?" or "Can I pay with a debit card?" Knowing these phrases will help you avoid confusion at the checkout. "Could you gift wrap this, please?" If you're buying a gift, use this phrase to ask the cashier to wrap it for you. "Could you gift wrap this, please?" or "Do you offer gift wrapping services?" Many stores offer this service, and it's a polite way to ask for a little extra help. "I'd like to return/exchange this." If you need to return or exchange an item, use this phrase, "I'd like to return this, please," or "Could I exchange this for a different size?" You can also ask, "What is your return policy?" to understand the store's rules for returns and exchanges. "Do you have a loyalty program?" Some stores offer loyalty programs that give you discounts or rewards. You can ask, "Do you have a loyalty program?" or "Can I sign up for your rewards program?" This phrase can help you save money on future purchases. With these basic English phrases, you'll be able to handle most shopping situations confidently and get exactly what you're looking for. Practice using them before you go shopping, and you'll feel more comfortable asking for help, finding what you need, and making purchases. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more tips and lessons to help you use English in real-life situations. Thank you so much for watching, and happy shopping! See you in the next video.